Hi, my name is Amanda Jeffrey with Ailey Construction, and we've been working with My Online Toolbox for about 5 years. What makes us unique is I like to do my own programming, and we started out with a website that was not that great, to be honest. So we were looking to improve our marketing message and increase our brand. My Online Toolbox has been great about working with me. He doesn't mind that I like to do my own thing, but he's great about guiding me in what to post and how to post it so that people see us as a lead remodeling contractor in Richmond, Virginia. We started out getting a lot of tire kickers, a lot of low balls, but now we don't see as many people shopping around. When people come to our site, we're almost guaranteed to get the project, so it's really increased our business and revenue, and I would highly recommend working with My Online Toolbox.